Why does your scanner show the P0887 engine code? What does it mean? P0887 is a diagnostic trouble code for traction control, module power relay control circuit high. The P0887 engine code indicates that vehicle's main computer, PCM or ECM, has detected that the TCM is receiving a voltage signal that is higher than the specified or expected range. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Outdated TCM software. Failed TCM power relay, faulty wiring or connectors, defective transmission control module, system voltage issues. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996. And it is commonly found in vehicles like Chrysler, Jeep, and Ram. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel